Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you an easy way to add hyperlinks between model elements. Hyperlinks are a great way to provide guidance and navigation to consumers of your model. For example, here on this system context diagram, I can right-click this block and select Hyperlink. And there I have a list of quick navigation links that the designer of this model thought would be useful. If you have quick navigation enabled, then it's even easier. I can see those links and others by right-clicking the icon in the top right-hand corner of the block. Adding those hyperlinks, however, isn't so easy. Let's add one by right-clicking the block in the model browser. I'll select Add New, Extensions, Hyperlink. Then I'll right-click the new hyperlink and select Features. In the Link Target field, I'll click the arrow to expand the mini browser, where I have to manually locate the element to which I want the element to target, which in a large model can be quite laborious. I'll just select one of these matrix views. Lastly, I have to either type in some text to display or select the target name. Now I can right-click the quick navigation icon and there is the new hyperlink. Now if I wanted multiple hyperlinks, I have to go through that same lengthy process multiple times. If I wanted multiple elements to all have hyperlinks to the same target, again I'd have to go through that process once for each hyperlink. Let's see a better way. I'll right-click the block and select Power Pack, Add Hyperlinks from Selected. Now here in the dialog I can see any existing hyperlinks. Double-clicking any of those navigates to its target. I can also use the right-click menu to navigate to the hyperlink itself. Now let's add some new ones. Now I can select any number of model elements, either on diagrams or in the model browser. Let's select a bunch of these table views. Now in the UI, I can then click Add Hyperlinks to Selected, and there are our new hyperlinks. Now I can even use the same UI to delete hyperlinks. And I can also add hyperlinks to external web pages. But of course I can also use drag and drop, which I showed in an earlier video. Now I can do the same thing for multiple elements. For example, if I select all three of these blocks and then I launch that same helper, then I'll get a tab for each of them if I only want to add hyperlinks from specific elements, or I can add those hyperlinks from all of them using this single button at the top. Now I can also do that in the opposite direction. For example, if I use the other menu, Power Pack, Add Hyperlinks to Selected, then I can select one or more elements and I can add hyperlinks from those elements to these selected ones, again with a single click. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of the series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.